Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we have to resolve one error, that is no module name Google.Generative AI. So we have to solve that particular error. I'm trying to exit that particular project. So I'm facing that error. Let's open terminal here and then write Python space app.py. So I'm getting that error. Module not found error, no module name Google.Generative AI. So first check the Python is installed or not. So let's click on the Windows key and then write edit environment variable and then click on environment variables and double click on the path. Python 3.10 is already installed and added in that location. So just double click on the Python 3.10, Control A, and just copy that location and click on cancel. So just paste the location here, Control V, then enter. Now the Python 3.10 is already installed and the script folder is already there. So both the folder location is already added in the environment variable. So let's open the terminal and try to install. Pip install Google hyphen generative AI. Then hit enter. Selective Google Generative AI, Protobuf, Google Authentication, AI Generative Language, Google API Python Client, HTTP Library, Protobuf. Okay, now successfully installed. This will be the solution of that particular error. This will be the error. Module not found error, no module name, Google.Generative AI. So first we have to check that Python is successfully installed or not in your system. Then we have to run that particular command pip install Google-generative AI. If you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any project ideas in computer science domain, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.